Meaning of disorientate.
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 Disorientate. The term disorientate refers to a condition in which one loses their sense of direction or position in relation to their surroundings. The result of disorientation can lead to confusion, anxiety, and a feeling of being lost. Disorientation can occur due to sensory deprivation, illness, injury, or exposure to unfamiliar environments. It can also be caused by certain medications or substances that affect cognitive function. The experience of disorientation can be disorienting, frightening, and potentially dangerous if one is unable to regain their bearings.